Will the situation happen before, after, or in 2015? For example, by 2015, many animals species will disappear. When this action will happen? Before, after, or in 2015? 2050. What do you think?
In 2050.
In 2050.
In 2050? Okay, let's see. I'm going to show you something. We are going to talk now about the future perfect. Okay? Let's see. We are going to check the structure of the future perfect. What do you think is the structure for the future perfect in affirmative sentences? I want you to check the example here. This example, this sentence. What is the structure we use for the future perfect?
Will plus have plus past participle.
Very good. Subject, will, have, and the past participle, right? Okay, here I have an example. By the end of the year, I'll have finished my studies. Okay, let's go to the negative sentence. How can we change this to the negative? What do you think?
Have not.
Yes, with not. But not goes in will or in have?
Have.
Will.
In will, right? Will not or won't have and the past participle. Okay? I won't have completed the report by Tuesday. Okay? No habré completado el reporte para el jueves. Let's go to the question form. Here we have will, the subject, the auxiliary verb have, the past participle, and complement. For example, will you have arrived home by 12 o'clock? Okay, so here we have the three forms of the sentences and questions in the future perfect. Now we are going to check the use, okay? Let's see here, what are the uses of this future perfect? To describe an action that will be completed before a point of time in the future. For example, by the end of 2021, I'll have bought my own apartment. Okay, so I'll have bought my own apartment before the end of 2021. Okay, yo habré realizado esto en el futuro, pero antes de este tiempo que estoy mencionando. Okay, so don't forget, will be completed before a point of time in the future. Okay, entonces imagínense que yo compro mi apartamento en octubre de este año. Entonces va a ser antes de que el año termine, ¿cierto? By the end of 2021. Okay? Some common phrases used with these tenses are after and an amount of time. Okay? By then, en lugar de decir by 2021, you can say by then. By a specific day, by, for example, by December 25th, by December 25th, I will have finished my studies, for example. Before a specific date, before December 25th, I will have something, travel to Europe, okay? And here we have the last one. By the time that, okay, is another expression that you can use, okay? So let's see here in your book. You told me that this action happened in 2050. What do you think? By 2050, many animal species will have disappeared. What do you think? Before, after, or in 2050?
Before.
Before. Remember that we use the future perfect when we are talking about an action in the future that is completed before a period of time, okay? Let's complete the grammar panel. It says, we form the future perfect with the subject,
Plus with
will,
Have.
have, and the past
participle.
participle. Very good. We use the future perfect to describe an action that will be complete before a point in the future. We usually use by plus a time reference. For example, I'll have written the report by Thursday. I won't have confirmed the meeting. ¿Ok? Y aquí podemos añadirle otra expresión de tiempo. By Friday or by tomorrow. ¿Ok? So this is the future perfect. Let's do the activity here. Look at the timelines and complete the sentence with the future continuous or the future perfect forms of the verbs in the parentheses. Okay? So this is now the present. In this time, the project begins. This is Tuesday in the future. And Friday, the project ends. Okay? For example, what can we say in the first one? The project on Tuesday. ¿Qué podríamos decir acá?
Will be working.
They will be working on the project. Ok, yes, vamos a escribir la oración. Porque todavía no habrán terminado, ¿cierto? Entonces podemos decir, they will be working. Working on the project on Tuesday. Number 2, the project by Thursday. What can we say here? By Thursday. What can you say?
Will finish.
Will have.
Will
Have.
have finished. Will have finished by Thursday? Will have finished by Thursday? Won't. No habrán terminado para el día jueves, ¿cierto? Antes del día jueves ellos no habrán terminado todavía porque el proyecto se termina el viernes. Won't have finished. Okay. And the last one, it says, the project by the weekend.
They will have finished.
Have finished. They will have finished the project by the weekend. ¿Por qué by the weekend? Porque en el día viernes lo van a terminar. Entonces, antes del fin de semana, ya lo habrán terminado. ¿Ok? Antes del jueves, no lo habrán terminado. Y el martes, el día martes, estarán trabajando en el proyecto. ¿Ok? So, these are the 3 different tenses we have here. Any questions about this?